this race. Gates open, they're up and racing. Dr. Jude draws for your lead. Empire Maker moving up. Shimmer Joe. Moonraker in between runners. Denari outside. Robin Good is smashing success. Pivotal is running third last, second last. Batang Aplaya, while Furiously Eager is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Shimmer Joe in command by a long neck. Moonraker now throwing a challenge on the outside and catching the third spot. Robin Good is smashing success. Dr. Jude racing in 6 is the favorite. Pivotal and improving its position now, taking the fifth spot as they turn for home. Moonraker takes the lead from the outside. Shimmer Joe is running by the rail. Robin Good is smashing success. Pivotal still running in fifth with the last 100 meters more to run. Moonraker, Robin Good is on the outside, but it's still Moonraker, Robin Good moving up and doing the better, and finally Robin Good. Moonraker, Shimmer Joe, Pivotal, Furiously Eager for your Pentafecta.